Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download DirecTV app on Samsung Smart TV. Start on your Samsung Smart TV home screen. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet so everything works smoothly. Take your remote control and look at the bottom part of the screen. You will see a row of icons. Move across that row using the arrow buttons on your remote until you find the app section. Once you see apps, press the select button on your remote to open it. Now you are inside the app section. Here you will see many different apps available for download. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will find a search icon or a search bar. Move to that and select it. Using the on-screen keyboard, type in DirecTV. When you see the DirecTV app in the results, select it. This will open the app page. You will see an option to install the app. Move to the Install button and press Select. Wait for the download and installation to finish. Once the app is installed, you will see an option to open it. The DirecTV app will launch on your screen. Now follow the on-screen instructions to sign in using your DirecTV account details. If you already have a plan, you will be able to access your content right away. Thanks for watching.